Today we will discuss about the new BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Before discussing the important BNS sections, most basic question is which is which. They will ask you IPC has been changed to what, CRPC has been changed to what, IEA has been changed to what. So IPC has been changed to BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. CRPC has been changed to BNSS, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and IEA, Indian Evidence Act, has been changed to BSA, Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. Sakshya means what? Evidence. साक्षी मान के शपथ लेता हूँ ब्ला ब्ला, so that means evidence. So भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम, and this is BNSS is भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता. Now see, it is very easy because Indian Evidence Act. So evidence means साक्ष्य, you know that. साक्षी मान के शपथ, so that is evidence. So that is easy to guess. But what about IPC and CRPC? Some people they might get confused. So in that case, just remember a simple mnemonic. IPC has 3 letters, BNS has 3 letters. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. CRPC, CRPC, BNSS, 4 letters, 4 letters. Okay. So now most important IPCs. Okay. IPC, that is a BNS. I'm not writing IPC anymore. BNS, because IPC cannot come in the exam anymore. Even if it comes, most probably they will give you the grace. So first we will go to the most common one, 22. BNS. This is McNaughton's rule. McNaughton's rule क्या बोलता है? It says that person who is of unsound mind or who is intoxicated, if he commits an offense, then he is not punishable. That is McNaughton's rule. Then what we have? Then we have 23. 23 is what? Forced intoxication. Forced intoxication is not guilty. Then you have 24. Self-intoxication is guilty. So forced intoxication, if someone has forced you and you drank the wine and now you have done a crime, you are not guilty. But if you yourself drank it on your own and then you did a crime, then you are guilty. Next, another thing I want to also tell about. So let us talk about perjury and fabricating false evidence. That is 227 and 228. 227 is perjury and fabricating false evidence is 228. Okay. Fabricating false evidence. Then I want to tell you about 100, 101, 103 and 105. 100 is culpable homicide but not amounting to murder. Not amounting to murder. This is 100. 101 is what? 101 is culpable homicide amounting to murder. 103 is what? Culpable punishment for 101. मतलब punishment for culpable homicide amounting to murder. 105 is what? Punishment for 100. So see, this is not serially. ये sequence wise नहीं है. 100 is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, but punishment for that is 105. 101 is amounting to murder and punishment for that is 103. Okay. Now some people will tell me कि ma'am please explain कि what is culpable homicide not amounting to murder or amounting to murder. So basically homicide means killing. Homicide is killing someone else is homicide. Killing yourself is suicide. So not amounting to murder. Murder means what? Murder is basically the intent to kill. That is murder. Murder means you wanted to kill him and you killed him. You had the intention to kill in the first place. So that is murder. The culpable homicide not amounting to murder means you killed that person, but you were not intending to kill him. Either you were intending to kill someone else, but वो बीच में आ गया, he came in between and you accidentally killed him, or you might have just gone to scold him or something, but some argument happened, it became heated, and in the heat of the moment you killed him. So your intention was not to murder him, but somehow you have murdered him. So that is called not amounting to murder. Amounting to murder means you bought a knife or gun, you intended कि I will go there and I am going to kill him today. Okay. Then we have 88, 89, 90, 93 and 94. 88 is, this is abortion related. Okay, so 88 is criminal abortion with consent of the mother or female, right? So what is 89? 89 is without consent. Okay, without consent. Then what is 90? 90 is criminal abortion plus it led to the death of the mother. 93 is what? 93 is abandon the child. 94 is concealing the birth. You know about it. All the birth and death must be registered within 21 days. So that is the thing. You just conceal the birth. You just gave birth in secret, you did not tell anyone, whatever. So this is, so this thing, it will most probably not come, but you should remember 88, 89, 90, with consent, without consent, and leading to death. Now I want to tell you about 112, 113, 114 and 115. So 112 is the definition of hurt. Definition, I am writing it. Definition of hurt. 113 is what? 113 is punishment for hurt. Punishment for hurt. That is punishment for 112. That is hurt is 113. 114 is what? 114 is definition of grievous hurt. Grievous hurt. 115 is what? Punishment for grievous hurt. Okay. Now there is also another 116. 116 is what? 116 is punishment for maybe hurt or maybe grievous hurt, but with dangerous weapon. With a dangerous weapon, then that is 116. So at least remember this 4: 112, 113, 114. Hurt, punishment, grievous hurt, and its punishment. Okay. Now we will discuss just in short. Tell me that what are the grievous hurt? Everyone can tell me, but the point is you have to remember the serial number. It is very specific. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very specific. You have to remember. What is number 1? Number 1 is emasculation. Men always think we are number 1, and if we don't have that thing, then we are useless. So that is number 1 is most important thing for a man, emasculation. Then you have eye. After that thing, you have eye. Yes, dekh nahi sakte to it's miserable, right? After that you will have ear. Okay, this eye is eye and ear. Remember, anyone, okay, any one eye or any one ear, that is grievous hurt. ऐसा नहीं है कि okay, ma'am, only one eye is there, he can see with the other eye, so it's not grievous. No, it is grievous, even if it is just one. Then another one is privation of member of a joint. Some joint you have damaged. Then fifth one is destruction or permanent impairing of any member or joint. Joint destruction, but it is permanent. That is 5. Then you have 6. 6 is face. You have disfigured the face. That is 6. Then you have 7. 7 is what? Bone or tooth fracture or dislocation. So joint is what? See, emasculation most important, then eye, then ear, obviously. Then joint means walking. You cannot walk if your joint is gone. Then face. We are very beauty conscious, face. Then 7 is fracture or dislocation. Fracture, dislocation, in that it does not involve the joint. It's just like in the middle of the bone. There's a fracture here. So that is just fracture or some dislocation, that one. But not the joint area. Okay, of bone or tooth is 7. Then 8 is what? 8 is what? Anything which endangers life. Something else. For example, if someone stabs your heart or someone stabs your spleen, then isn't it dangerous? Yes, it is. So it endangers life. Or which causes the person to be in hospital for 20 days. 20 days. Now let's talk about the rape IPC. So 63 is definition of rape. 64(1) is what? It is the punishment for rape, but it is the general punishment. General punishment for rape overall. 65(1) and 2. Wait, 65(1) and 65(2). 65(1) is punishment for rape of a girl who is less than 16 years. That is minor. Punishment 2 is what? 65(2) is punishment for rape of less than 12 years. Rape of a child. That is 65(2). Then you have 66. So what is 66? 66 is the rape which leads to this coma, that is permanent vegetative state. That is 66. 67 is what? 67 is rape during separation. Okay, like you have filed for like divorce or something, blah blah blah. So kind of you are separated or something, but then the wife is forcing the husband is forcing the wife to have sexual intercourse or something. Then that is rape during separation. What is 68? 68 is custodial rape. Basically, 68 is all the spatial types of rape. Okay, like custodial rape, rape in a mental health institution, rape during communal violence, blah blah blah. Okay, then 71. 71 is what? 71 is gang rape. Sorry, 71 is gang rape. But 71 is what? 71 is the repeat offender. 71 is repeat offender. So that is done. This is rape. Then the last 3 things. 72 is disclose the identity of rape victim. That is the punishment for disclosing the identity of rape victim. What is 80? 80 is dowry death. And what is 106.1? This is medical negligence. Medical negligence is 106.1. Okay. So I think this much IPC is enough. If you read more than that, then this channel will become an INICT channel. So BNSS, that is previously known as CRPC, only 4 things. 52 is what? 52 is medical examination of rape accused. 184 is what? Medical examination of rape victim. 194 and 196 is what? 194 is police inquest. 196 is magistrate inquest. Okay, that is BNSS. Now, Indian Evidence Act or Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam or Indian Evidence Act. There is nothing much. I want you to remember only one thing, that is 26 is dying declaration. 26 is dying declaration. Okay, done.